Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to part 2, answering the third question of the pizza pie. What is the perimeter of one slice of pizza? So I want to go over some key information we need to know in these next two parts, part 2 and then the next part 3. And then in part 4, I'm going to put it all together. I'm going to show you how to answer this particular question. So as you can see here, a large round pizza has 20-inch diameter and is cut into 8 equal pizzas. So you can see here we have a pizza pie, right? We have the radius highlighted here in pink, which is exactly 1/2 the diameter. Now if the diameter is 20 inches, then this side, or the radius, right, from the center out is your radius, is exactly 1/2 the diameter, or half of 20 is 10. So this radius side is 10, this value right here is 10, and 1/8 of the circumference, which I'm going to go over in a second and review with you. If you add all those values together, you can find the diameter of one piece of this slice of pie. All right. To throw you a little more, you don't need to know this, but if you want to know the diameter of all the pieces of pie added together, you either multiply by 8 or add 8 times the answer that we come up with in that last video. But we're only asked to find the perimeter of one slice of one piece of this pie. So again, I wanted to point out that just from this edge to this edge of this one slice of pizza pie is 1 out of 8 of the value of circumference. Why? Because we have 8 total slices of pizza. You find the circumference, you divide by 8, you add the radius plus the radius, and that's going to give you your diameter of one slice. I will go over that in the next video, part 3, in detail, showing you examples. So again, excuse me, the circumference of a circle is pi times your d, or your diameter. In this example, that was given in the question, 20 inches. So 20 times pi would give you the circumference, right? And so in the next video, I'll show you how you're going to be multiplying that times 1/8, because there's one slice of pizza we're interested in out of 8 possible slices, right? So if you were to take that diameter of 20 inches, cut that in half, right? Because the radius is equal to half of the diameter, right? 20 divided by 2 equals 10. You know our radius value is 10. Okay, so again, this is just some important information I'm kind of front loading for you, because in the next video, part 3, I'm going to explain a little bit more with another visual, and then in part 4 video, we're actually use this information to solve the problem. Remember, math is easy. Take it step by step. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. In helping them, like, follow, share, subscribe. Thank you for joining me once again. Math is easy. Take it step by step.